In this lecture, we'll look at how to make some realistic profit projections. I've included a net profit calculator in the master workbook in order for you to see how different monthly sales amounts can affect your net profits from Amazon. Open the master workbook and select the net profit sheet. You'll see several orange cells which are variables, meaning that you can change these cells to perform different what-if scenarios. For example, say you want to generate an extra $1,000 a month of disposable income. Using these estimates of monthly sales of $7,500, with Amazon fees costing 33% of sales, and your cost of goods representing 47% of your sales, and add on the self-employment taxes of 30%, this would generate $1,050 in net profit, or over $12,000 a year. You can also change your average sales price to see how many sales you need to make each day to meet your goals. The FBA fees and cost of goods are based on my experiences over the past few years. Just be aware that the higher the fees and cost of goods, the lower the profit. You'll have to have some sales history in order to know your numbers with more certainty. But in the meantime, these are good targets to shoot for. I would encourage you to play around with the spreadsheet and try and set some realistic goals for yourself. There aren't a whole lot of sellers that can sell $900,000 to $1 million of sales each year, but I know for a fact it can be done, and there's no reason you can't do it, so dream big.